What a fucking tosser. Here he comes, steaming up the fucking highway. Here he comes, hangs it. Oh God!